Hello all. Today I'll be showing you some workouts for our seniors who are suffering with lots of knee issue or heel pain or soreness, or we can say who are missing their walks in this quarantine period, or who are engrossed in their household work so much that they are not able to take care of their body. So I'll be showing you some workouts of back, hip, leg movement and leg workouts. So let's get started. Always keep a pillow or a cushion on your sides to go safe. Bring your legs at 45 degree. Place your right knee towards your right side. Bring it back. Left towards your left side. Up. Right towards your right side. Up. Left towards your left side. Right towards your right side. Up. Left towards your left side. I want you to look at my feet movement. I have kept my feet active. It's not inwards. It is outwards. Let's start with our next workout. Take your left knee towards your chin and right leg straight. Again, I want your feet to be active. Pushing your feet outwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest down for some time. I want you to do this 2 sets. Let's start with our third workout. Now with this, I want you to slightly bend your knee. Push your feet outwards. Bring it alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, do this for 2 times, or we can say 2 sets. Bring it down and up, down and up. I want you to do your workouts really slow so that you should not feel the jerk, and we can work at the right muscle. Slow. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax there. Again, do this for 2 times. 10 counts. Rest your hip down. Bring your feet up. First, take your hands out. Now first go towards your right side and look towards your left side so that you can feel that movement in your hip. 1. Bring it back. 2. Back. 3. Back. 4. Back. 5. Back. 6. Back. 7. Back. 8. Back. 9. Back. 10, back. This will give a good movement in your hip as well as lower back. So do this twice, 10 counts. Let's start with our next workout. Keep your feet down. Initially, hold your ankles. Now this we are doing for the hip movement as well as working on that heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure that you are landing softly. 5. You don't have to jerk our body. Slightly go up. Bring it down. 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 You can always modify your workouts. So once you are confident that you can do this easily and smoothly, just take your hip up. Take that right leg straight. Bring it back. Left leg straight. Bring it back. Right, back, left, back. Now slowly, once you are ready to keep your hands apart, just do it. Put that weight on your toes. 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back. You can also make it simpler. If you find this difficult, just place your heel down and hip up. 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back. Awesome. Press down. Do this twice, 10 counts. Now let's do one for back muscle. We all can use household essentials. So I'll be using a ball. You can use a pillow or anything which you can rotate from here and there. I'll be sure you can use a water bottle too. Now while doing this, I want you to keep your back active. Turn towards your right side, bring it back. Take it towards your left side. From left to right. In this workout, since it's a back workout, I want you to keep your back active and not hunched. Just keep it active. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, 10, up, relax. Now you would have seen while keeping the ball down, I released my hand. So once I was doing that, I could feel that pressure in my arms too. So if possible, just release it and take that pressure. Or initially if you want, you can just touch the ball and come back. Whatever suits you.